So let's see the difference. This is before and this is after. Hey guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to correct your lips drawings, which you sent me through Discord. And I just wanted to quickly give a credit for Anjo Janov because he kind of inspired me to make those videos. So before anyone say that I'm stealing the idea, I'm giving the credit right here. So anyway, there are a lot of nice drawings right here, really interesting drawings that I'm going to fix and talk about. So I'm really excited to do it. But before we begin, a kind reminder that you can already give this video a thumbs up and you can already subscribe to my channel with a bell icon. So yeah, but no pressure, no pressure. Alright, the first one from Noel. So your drawing is amazing. I really love the vibe. It has this kind of vintage aesthetic to it. But there is one thing that's kind of... okay, it's kind of creepy. One thing not sitting right with me are the teeth. They are so freaking small. Maybe that's in my head. I don't know. Let's just imagine the whole teeth case underneath and it's really freaking small. There's no way it's how it's supposed to look like. I'm not going to correct it, but I'm going to give you a visual representation of how the teeth look like under those lips, which would be something like this. Alright, the next one. I don't know. Lowy says, lips are always the weakest part of my drawing. I draw them too simple. And yeah, I agree with you. I'm going to take this drawing. I can see you trying to hide those lips beneath this freakishly big highlight. So I'm going to erase that. And I'm going to erase all the highlights you have. I'm not really a big fan of brown line art because you can't really add any real depth. The only thing I'm doing is erasing the highlights, making the line art thinner and lighter in some parts. You know, I'm trying to do something so it still looks like your style, but what I would recommend you for highlights is creating this field. Take airbrush white and then paint slightly from one side, blend it out. Then you can add some stronger highlights, just like blending some things out. Alright, and the last step is making it slightly bigger because her eyes are also really big. Alright, so this is before and this is after. I think it looks better just because it just has more detail. So what I would recommend you is just add more detail and maybe blend more. Just give your lips some more time and make them slightly bigger. And make the highlights slightly smaller and the lines slightly thinner. That's it. Alright, the next one. Mushroom Bee. There is a lot of things that are right about this drawing, but there's just one thing that I want to change to see how much better it can actually look like. So let's take it into Procreate. Alright, so the corners of her lips are so freaking small. That's not how it looks like. So the first thing I will do is take the extra smooth edges coloring brush from the cartoonish makeup brush set, and I'm going to make the corners bigger, like this. Yes. And now I'm going to take a darker color and make it darker from the inside. the middle. Yeah. Alright, and now let's just blend it out with my soft blending brush from my Only Blend brush set on the edges. Look at this! Oh my god, that's such a difference. Alright, after blending everything out, this is how it looks like. It's not perfect, I know. So, let's see the difference. This is before, and this is after. Like, you can't even compare at this point, I guess. I'm editing now, and I noticed that the whole lips on the right look really brighter and just corrected overall. But I didn't correct anything else than the corners, and it looks like that because the corners are way darker, so all the other colors pop more. So, okay. So, let's go to the next one. Just throw away the whole drawing. I'm sorry, but this, like this, it's going nowhere. I can't help you. I really... I can't. I don't really draw digital, and I don't really draw lips either, so this probably looks terrible. Anyway, have my lips. Yes, I tried. It looks okay. Not normally how I draw lips because I have more cartoon style, but I guess I still need to practice realism. Okay, so your drawing, honestly, the only thing I would do is just finish it because it looks good. Like the colors, the shading, everything goes the right direction. Only you need to add some details. I'm not going to draw on it because I don't feel like it. But yeah, that's my advice for you. Artistic Stranger says, SOS, lips need help. SOS, your lips do need help. I can do something about your drawing, and actually I believe I can do it in 20 seconds. Give me 20 seconds. Ta-da! It's not perfect, but it looks better. And I only did it with one brush, the soft blending brush from my Only Blend brush set, which is really handy by the way, so you can get it on my website. The link is in the description of this video. Alright, and the last one is, I've always struggled with lips that looked like glued on the face. This time I tried to blend it in more with the skin. Should it be cleaner or does it look good that way? I think that the blending is not the problem actually. And you're gonna be surprised what the problem actually is. In my opinion. You're going to be surprised. I swear you're going to be surprised what I'm about to do right now. Okay, they are smaller, so they fit the face better now because they were really way too wide. Can you see how better it looks like? It doesn't look glued on anymore. It's just this one really little trick you need to do. Make the lips smaller and it doesn't look that glued on anymore. You do blend it too much, so maybe now that you can make your lips smaller, you can blend out a little bit less, so I believe it will look way better. I just wanted to show you an example of what I meant by a little bit less blended out. I just added a small detail that is a little bit sharper and it looks really good like this. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was handy and I could help some people, not only the ones I was correcting but also the ones that found themselves having the same issues that now can be possibly resolved. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up because I literally need motivation to make videos. I'm a lazy little... Yeah, so with a thumbs up, you are motivating me to make more of those videos for you. And if you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.